Your first funnel challenge review video. Says you can tell by today's video title, I'm gonna be going over literally everything you need to know about the Your First Funnel Challenge, going over all the details, all the news, all of the updates, so you can get all the information you need so you can make an informed decision to see if this event's going to be right for you. Because let's face it, there's a lot of hype for this Your First Funnel Challenge event, and for good reason, because there's so many big names. Again, I'm going to be providing a link down below in the video description so you can come to this exact page. Again, there's so many massive names in the industry that are going to be a part of a special event, including Daymond John right here, the People Shark right here. I think we all know who he is. And him and Russell Brunson are going to be a part of this massive event. And obviously Russell Brunson right here is hosting the Your First Funnel Challenge event. So it's going to be a massive event. And I'm also going to provide a link down below in the video description to my review article where I go over the Your First Funnel Challenge right here in a lot of detail. And I'm going to be updating this review article right here. And if you are interested in actually sign up through my link down below in the video description. So what I want to clarify right off the bat is that the Your First Funnel Challenge is 100% for free. So the actual event is 100% for free. But they do actually offer a ClickFunnels 2.0 30-day free trial on the other page right here, which we're also going to be covering in today's video. So if you actually sign up for a 30-day free trial of ClickFunnels 2.0, after basically signing up for this page, again, all these links will be down below in the video description for you. I'll put this link, probably won't be available straight away, but like by the time you're watching this video, it probably will be available. So again, check the links down below in the description for more details. But essentially what I'm trying to convey is that if you do sign up for my link, I'm actually going to be giving you a ton, and I mean a ton of high quality bonuses that I normally only give away for people that buy high ticket courses that cost like 2,500 USD. So you're going to be getting bonuses like that I offer for courses like that. We'll be updating my articles, and we'll be providing links down below to bonuses and all the details regarding that and how you can claim those. It's essentially just basically signing up for my link and essentially just going from my bonus page and emailing me. So we'll have more instructions regarding that when the time comes. But basically the whole purpose of me recording this video right now for you is to give you an update and to go over all the facts regarding the Your First Funnel Challenge right here. So if you scroll down below, you'll see that there's a bunch of special surprise guests right here. As you can see, you'll see all the names right here. And you'll see like a description. Obviously we have Daymond John right here, the People Shark, and it's going to be a very exclusive, a rare opportunity to see Daymond will go live and share his own personal story and how he actually found success himself, which is just really crazy. And essentially the Your First Funnel Challenge is going to be a 5-day event basically. So there's going to be 5 days. And if we go over here to my review article, we obviously go over, some of the special guests right here as well. So Grant Cardone. Grant Cardone is obviously a very big influencer in the internet marketing space and in the real estate space. So that's going to be pretty crazy as well. There's obviously, a lot more information. So in terms of actually the 5-day event, and again, keep watching this video because we're just getting started. There's a lot more information to go through, including like the actual VIP package right here. If you want to upgrade to that for the 30-day free trial of ClickFunnels 2.0, we're going to be covering that in today's video as well in a lot of detail. But if we go back over here, there's actually 5 days. So the first day right here, which is going to be day 1. So Your First Funnel Challenge day 1 is going to be all about funnel hacking. So if you guys are OG users of the original ClickFunnels platform, you're probably well aware of what funnel hacking is all about. If you're brand new, that's also okay, because basically what you're going to be learning right here is how you can basically ethically steal from what's already working right now and how to use that for your own funnel. So it's essentially basically modeling success. If you see like a working sales funnel, you can kind of like model different components of it and apply it to your own business so you can potentially get similar results yourself basically, right? And obviously they go over all of this in a lot of detail through day 1. So what funnel is going to be right for your offer and why it might not be what you're thinking, plus tons of funnel examples as well. So I feel like this is probably going to be really good as well. So you can see real life examples of actual like businesses using these funnels, and you can kind of like understand how it's actually used in the real world, right? So what's obviously working now for finance, e-com, coaching, info products, business opportunities, and more. So that's going to be day 1. So day 1 is going to be packed full of value. I'm actually really excited to attend this event myself. I feel like these events and these days that they're going to be covering in this massive event are going to be applicable and really valuable for anyone who's not only a beginner and looking to like create their first sales funnel, but for quite frankly anyone, and even like an experienced like internet marketer or business owner, like for instance myself. Like I feel like even this, like I'm going to be attending this event because there's going to be so many golden nuggets to learn. And again, it's 100% for free. So I feel like, you'll be getting a lot of value, and you probably will be missing out if you don't actually attend. But if we go over to day two is going to be your first funnel. The first funnel everyone should build, regardless of what industry you're in. And the takeaways, the single greatest funnel that magnetically attracts customers to you without having to chase or spend a ton of money on ads. And yeah, email follow-ups, how to quickly construct irresistible throat-grabbing headlines that practically force your customers to sit up, pay attention, and buy. That is quite a headline itself. So very, very powerful stuff. And obviously discover the 5 core emails everyone must have if you love sales, and how to easily write them in a single afternoon, even if you think you suck at writing. So same for day 2. Now, if we go to day 3 right here, hook, story, and offer. Basically, the power of telling stories, especially, if you're trying to sell an offer or anything like that, and you're trying to sell your own product, you want your customers and your audience to resonate with you and to build an emotional connection and to basically, go through the hero's journey with you. And what I mean by that is that if you've had I guess the best example would be like the old rag to riches story. Obviously, that's pretty cheesy because it's obviously overly saturated and overly used. But the old, I went through a lot of hardship, to solve my problem, and then I succeeded. That's kind of like the hero's journey, and you see a lot of those story structures in Hollywood themselves. So when you watch your favorite movies, you'll notice that a lot of these movies have interesting stories, and you get emotionally attached to it. So what if you can actually apply the same psychology, but to your actual sales funnel and your actual business and your offer itself? So this is what you're gonna be learning right here in day 3. So your unique hook that no one else is doing, how to create your story that resonates. So again, like I was saying, you want to resonate with your core audience, and how you can drip this story across all your marketing efforts for instant brand recognition. So it's going to be a part of your brand. And then they go over why most big ideas are not big enough, and how to position your offer based on the conversation your customers are already having. So very, very powerful stuff. And then day 4 right here is going to be all about irresistible ads. So where are the golden customers hanging out, and how you can get in front of them. So basically, if you're not getting in front of customers and getting in front of your dream clients, then obviously your business isn't going to be at its full potential or even succeed, because you need traffic. And basically traffic's another word for eyeballs to visit your sales funnels, your websites, and all type of stuff to actually make money. So I think day 4 is probably, in my personal opinion, out of all the days, going to be the most important day, because not only are you going to be learning how you can get traffic and how you can create winning video ads, for instance. Again, actually one of my bonuses is how you can actually get free traffic on YouTube and Google. So if you do want to sign up for a 30-day free trial of ClickFunnels 2.0 on the upgrade page right here, again, I'll provide a link down below to all of this in the video description. You'll actually get some bonuses that can really help you succeed and get in front of a lot of people on YouTube and Google. Google's obviously the biggest search engine on the planet, and then YouTube is actually the second largest search engine on the planet. And I'm going to be going over how you can actually go ahead and basically succeed in both of those platforms. In fact, I've gotten actually hundreds of thousands of subscribers and millions and millions and millions of views. And one of my bonuses is basically me rolling out the red carpet and showing you exactly how I did this myself. So I'm going to be going over that. Obviously, my bonuses, if you do decide to sign up from my affiliate link down below in the video description. But essentially, as they go over here on screen, how to locate your honey hole of golden customers who are looking for your offer, how to automatically bring in customers, clients, or patients like clockwork without blowing the bank on running low converting ads, and like I just briefly mentioned over here just a moment ago, how to easily create winning video ads that crush on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. And then day 5 is going to be all about taking action, so do it now. On day 5, they're going to go over crossing the finish line and how to get your idea launched with a funnel. You'll walk away with today having learned the mindset hack, how to stack your offer the right way, and obviously the story right here of Daymond right here. So I think day 5 is mainly all about motivation. So it's going to be more of a motivational day, but still a day that's going to get you in the right mindset, and it's going to really propel you forward so you can take action and launch your business idea and turn that into reality. So day 5 is obviously going to be good if you want to have the right mindset, and it's going to be a great day to conclude everything you've learned during the 5-day period of the Your First Funnel Challenge event. Okay, so obviously there's some free bonuses as well. So not only do you obviously get access to my bonuses if you do actually sign up for the upgrade right here and sign up for a ClickFunnels 2.0 free trial, Obviously, you need to sign up for the 2.0 free trial right here to get my bonuses. So we go over that again in the video description on my bonus page in a lot more detail. But just for signing up for this free event, you get extra free bonuses, which is really, really cool as well. And they give you like a bunch of like done for you templates as well, I believe. So if we scroll up, so if you go over here, you'll see that they give you special free funnel install sessions, learning the top performing funnels that are working right now, and then get those exact funnels pointed directly to your ClickFunnels account for free. So you get a bunch of done for you sale funnels imported to your ClickFunnels account right off the bat. So, you know, instead of starting from scratch, you get the best funnels designed by the ClickFunnels 2.0 team themselves, and you get that into your account. So you don't need to get any templates from anywhere else. You'll get the best templates from the horse's mouth, which is going to be ClickFunnels 2.0 directly, right? So you get that right here for these one-time bonuses, which is just really, really cool. So obviously, yeah, this is going to be the event. Now, if we go over here to the next page, so once you actually sign up right here and you put in your email address and join your first funnel challenge, which is again 100% for free, you'll be redirected to step 2, which is basically their upsell page, and it's essentially basically so you can upgrade to the VIP version, which again, it's basically free for 30. Well, it is free for 30 days. So basically, you're signing up for a ClickFunnels 30-day trial, so a ClickFunnels 2.0 30-day free trial, and then obviously after the 30-day trial, then you'll be paying $297 a month for the Funnel Hacker plan right here. So upgrade to VIP today and maximize your experience for even faster progress. To go over all of that right here, so essentially you get to test drive ClickFunnels 2.0 for 30 days for free. Private Zoom access with Russell and Daymond, lifetime access to all the trainings, VIP welcome kit that includes 30 days book, Funnel Hackers cookbook, and Funnel Hackers t-shirt, bonus in-depth elite coaching from the top online entrepreneurs, and double bonus right here, your Pacific funnel questions answered directly by Russell. So again, this is basically so you can get the ClickFunnels 2.0 30-day free trial. That's basically the upgrade, which is again free for 30 days, so you can actually test out the new ClickFunnels 2.0 platform, and you get access to all these bonuses. Plus, when you actually upgrade on this page right here, you will also get access to all of my custom bonuses 100% for free. Again, these bonuses are normally only give away my own personal bonuses, which I won't be going through in this particular video. I'll have a separate video and a separate page linked down below in the video description, which will go over all of that information for you in a lot more detail. But basically, these bonuses that I'm going to be offering on top of ClickFunnels bonuses, you get access to both of these bonuses, by the way, all the ClickFunnels bonuses and all my bonuses that I'm going to be giving away as an independent affiliate. But essentially, like these independent bonuses that I'll normally give away, I'll only offer to people that purchase high-ticket courses that cost thousands and thousands of dollars. Some even cost $2,500 USD. And one of the bonuses is basically how I got 4 silver YouTube play buttons. And to basically get a silver play button on YouTube, you need to get over 100,000 subscribers. And I've got 4 silver play buttons. So I'm essentially going to be showing you how I actually got all of these subscribers and how I got millions and millions and millions of views, and basically how you can learn from that and essentially get a bunch of views yourself potentially on your own YouTube channel. And there's obviously other bonuses as well, but yeah, I want to just briefly mention that. But if we scroll down below right here, again, what's included in the VIP experience, it goes over basically how when you say yes, you get VIP experience for free, plus a 30-day free trial of ClickFunnels so you can build as well. And it's basically, yeah, you will receive the 30-day free trial of ClickFunnels 2.0. Lifetime access to all the trainings, basically just what we went over just before. So I just wanted to make a quick video going over the Your First Funnel Challenge review. I'm going over all the details and all the updates so you can make an informed decision to see if you want to get involved with this, or if you want to look into it. If you do want to learn more, we'll provide a link down below to everything we discussed in today's video. And yeah, thanks for watching today's Your First Funnel Challenge review video. Cheers.